Welcome to Creepy Dimensions. In this episode of our Doorbell series, we're focusing on porch pirates, the real-life thieves caught in the act on home security cameras. A man in a black jacket is caught on camera casually stealing a package from a front porch in broad daylight. Unaware, the security cameras above capture a clear view of his face. A man in broad daylight is caught on camera stealing a kid's bicycle from the side of the street. He looks around briefly, unaware that the entire act is captured by a nearby security camera. An old man in front of a house doing weird things could raise suspicion or curiosity. He might have been confused or disoriented, possibly struggling with memory issues like dementia, or maybe he was trying to fix something on the property, like a mailbox or garden. Alternatively, it could be something more unusual, like performing strange gestures or movements that seem out of place. Without more context, it's hard to say, but his actions could range from harmless confusion to something more unsettling. Two men are seen standing near a car on the side of the road. One of them is clearly attempting to break into the car, fiddling with the door and using some sort of tool while the other stands nearby, acting as a lookout. They seem tense, constantly glancing around to make sure no one is watching.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back! Don't move, bro.
Two men in hoodies are caught on camera under the cover of night, trying to steal a car. They work in the shadows, but after struggling with the door and failing to break in, they give up and run off. The security camera, equipped with night vision, captures their every move. An elderly homeless woman is seen struggling to open the door of a nearby house, her movements unsteady and erratic. It's clear she is under the influence of drugs as she fumbles with the handle, mumbling to herself and glancing around nervously. The security camera captures her distressing situation, highlighting her vulnerability in the dim light of the afternoon. A porch pirate in a hoodie is caught on camera at night, stealthily stealing two decorative pots from a front porch. He glances around to ensure no one is watching, quickly grabs the pots and slips away into the darkness, leaving no trace behind. A man is caught on camera in broad daylight, stealing plants from the front yard of a house. He arrives in a car, quickly grabs several potted plants, and loads them into his vehicle before driving away, completely unconcerned about being seen. A truck is stolen in broad daylight, caught on security camera as it pulls away from a parking lot. Several men in hoodies are caught on camera at night, trying to break into a car. They work in tandem, trying to pry open the doors while one man squeezes through the open window. Inside, he quickly grabs valuables before climbing back out. The group then hurriedly escapes, leaving the scene just as they arrived, shrouded in darkness. A man in a hoodie is caught on camera, stealing a package from a front porch. He approaches the house casually, glances around to ensure no one is watching, and swiftly grabs the package before quickly walking away. The entire incident is recorded, highlighting the need for increased neighborhood vigilance. Thanks for watching the doorbell footage. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe for more. Stay tuned for more updates on local security events and safety tips to keep your home protected. Your awareness can help prevent crime in our community.